Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Apparently an update has just come in from DJI for that Osmo 360 handle. Now mine's been fine, but I'm going to update it. I spoke to DJI and I've got some information on how to update it, and I'll do a quick little video on it, so we'll see what happens. Apparently people are having trouble with it for not fully charging other bits and pieces, so if you've got this handle, follow these instructions and we'll update it together. So first things first, you'll need this software. I'll put a link to where you can get that, and you'll need the Osmo 360 battery extension bin file. Okay, then you'll need a decent lead, the lead that comes with your battery, and you'll need, I'm not sure if you need the camera on top of the stick or not. I think you do, so I'll put the camera on if I was you. And there's the battery handle there with that case. Got other videos on that. Now plug that into your PC there. I'm doing this one-handed. Plug that into the port on the side of your handle. That will start charging. Right. Let's give it a go. Apparently it's switched off. I'll show you this lovely little case. This on here. I have done a video on this case. It's switched off. Okay. Now we need to press and hold this one and this one. These two. Shutter release and the power on button until these lights flash. So if I press and hold that, that should start to flash. There you go. Now we go on here. Open this little. We go into English. You browse to the file, which is on my desktop there, and then connect device, update firmware. There you go. Success. Inject command write memory. Preparing to send. Yep, successful generic response to command write memory. Okay. There you go, it's done it. I think mine was up to date anyway, to be fair. It's not, I've not had any troubles with it at all. Then shut that down. And we're done. Any more videos on the 360 and just general chit chat and camera equipment and adventures. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. All done. That's the Osmo 360 battery handle updated. I've got a DJI Mini tripod of mine. I love this little bit of kit. It's a lovely little vlogging camera and camera for all types of bits and pieces, and it's waterproof, not with a handle on obviously, but if you're having troubles with your handle and you need to do an update, that's the update. I'll put the links below in the description. Please like the video, maybe subscribe for many more bits and pieces, camera stuff and all other bits and pieces. Just check out the channel, see what you think. I appreciate it. It doesn't do any harm, does it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.